Hello everybody, I'm Katy. I'm a mother of three that loves to crochet and knit. In today's tutorial you will get to make a triangle, and we will make the first 3 rows and then you can continue to make it bigger and bigger. You can make a shawl, for example. And for the beginning we will start with a magic ring. We will chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as a double crochet, and then make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, like this. Then you will get to make 2. You will chain 2. Then you make 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we are closing in the magic ring and the triangle is starting to form. Now you will chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you will make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then you will make 1 double crochet in each stitch. Then this means that you have 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in the where you have chained the 2 and between the double crochet, it's starting to form a loop. In that loop we will make 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Then you will chain 2, 1, 2. Then you will make 2 double crochets in the same loop, then you will make 1 double crochet in each stitch, sorry, 3, and in the last stitch you will make 2 double crochets. So our triangle is starting to look more beautiful. Now on the third row you chain 3, then turn. In the same stitch you will make 1 double crochet, then you make 1 double crochet in each stitch, so. And then in the loop you will make 2 double crochet, then you will chain 2, then make 2 double crochets in the loop, then you will make 1 double crochet in each stitch, and in the last you will make 2. That means 1 double crochet in each stitch, so in the stitch we go in and make 2 double crochet, 1, and then the 2. So as you can see, this is our triangle, and each row you will make 2 double crochet in the first stitch. That means when you starting the row, you will chain 3 and 1 double crochet. You will make 1 double crochet in each stitch until you are in this loop that is formed from chaining 2. You will make 2 double crochets, you will chain 2, and then you will make 2 double crochets. Then you will make in each stitch 1 double crochet, and in the last stitch you will make 2 double crochet. And this is how you can make a triangle. You can make it bigger and bigger. You can make a shawl, or you can use it to add it to granny squares like this. So have a nice day. Goodbye.